Hi and welcome to this Blueprint Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to be looking at Euro versus the Swiss franc as price soars above a key level. Now, Euro Swiss, why we're looking at this chart in particular, recently price has broken it through a key level at the 0.9950 handle, and my alerts went off to suggest that we take a little look at this market. Now, taking a look at the bigger picture, what can we see? Well, we can see that we're in a downward trend ever since price retested the major key level at 1.2 back in 2018. Price has been on this downward move, which has been over 2,500 pips to the downside, and most recently we're in that sort of break into new highs. Now, when we look at the trend of the sort of recent times, if I actually just get a pen tool here and just grab the blue color, here you can see that the market has been in a downward trend here as well, with the lower lows and lower highs being formed. Now, the previous highs of the market come up here at the 1.050 handle or the 1.0500 handle, which is a level of interest for me if price is going to continue to break out and trade to the upside, because that's the area where we had some aggressive selling pressure. Not only that, but we do have some levels before that as well. We have this level down through here, which is the 1.0200 level as well. I'm actually just going to pop that in on a monthly time frame just so we can see it there. The reason being, price can usually come back to previous structure lows before it continues, because we have to still remember that we're in a downward trend. So what I'm looking for technically is the market going to form a lower high again, and possibly where could that happen? Could it happen at previous structure lows? Could it happen at the area where price found resistance last at the 1.0500 handle? So that being said, what does that mean? Well, if the monthly is going to continue to push to the upside here, what I would expect is a trend to form on a lower time frame, meaning that we should see an upward trend develop here. Now, if I go to the daily time frame, it's really interesting because we've had a break of some key areas as well. So you can see ultimately that 0.9950 handle there, price has gone sideways for a period of time here. You can see that the market has also recently broken above the 200 daily moving average, as well as a bullish channel here. So all the technical indications at the moment are telling us that we should be looking to go long in this market, because we're breaking out all of these key resistance points. We've got, like I said, the 200 there, the previous highs, the bullish channel. So we should really be looking for long ideas on Euro Swiss. Now, what we need to do though is confirm a close. So because it's only the first daily breakout, what I don't want to see is price then fall back within, which could suggest further downside. What I want to see is another close above. So if price can give us a second close tomorrow above this level, what I would then begin to look for is pullbacks into the 0.9950 handle. That could then lead to some buying opportunities, especially if we can kind of see this price action where the 200 rolls through. We have then the 200 moving average as well as the previous highs as support, which could then trigger long opportunities up to the 1.02 handle. If price can then trade through that, we've got the ultimate sort of area there, the 1.0500. Now that's obviously a long way off, you know, that is a huge move to consider. So obviously you want to be looking at more likely that the 1.02 is going to come first. So that's where I'll be looking for the targets on any kind of move to the upside at the moment. If I pop to the 4-hour time frame, again you can see lots of aggressive buying coming into the market. Now again, when you see that type of buying, you have to ask yourself the question, who's going to do that? Okay, now I could mark up this area in here. That could also be an area of demand as well, so price could dip below the level before heading back to the upside. So we can almost set an alert here at the 0.9910 to see if we will get buyers as well. But ultimately, institutions are the one that can drive price like this. So we want to be piggybacking those opportunities if they do come when price pulls back. Are those buyers still there? Can we piggyback the institutions and look for those long ideas around that point? Hopefully that made sense. If it did, leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more of our Forex trading content, and I'll catch you in the next video.